You didn't envision.
Nah, it won't bad.
It gonna be bad enough.
Yeah, so we got this can improve right here. Got a dust build up, as you can see, and it's on my finger too. So we got to improve that. Tops of these got some dust build up on it, as well as if you look at the face of it, you can see smudges on it. So we definitely want to improve that. Same thing with these vents. Make sure we dusting those. I can't tell. Yep, so that's dust. It was so bad it looked like paint. So actually that's construction dust. I mean, we never got it from the beginning. So I take a shot at myself on that because I started this building. All right. Look at the baseboards. They never been hit. You can see the build up on them. All right, and the stuff that I'm looking for when I come to inspect these accounts, like I always tell y'all, is not like your standard wiping down stuff. I know that obviously he hasn't cleaned this building this weekend yet, but I'm looking for what's build up. So with that door's locked. All right. Yeah, I'm just looking for build up. So for example, if I see a bunch of some handprints up here, I won't trip about that too much because that could have happened in the days that we weren't here. We only clean here twice a week. But I'm looking more so for stuff that look like I can tell that has just never been touched or haven't been touched in a long time. So in here, and then also another thing I saw, so the first thing I saw when I first came in, I'm gonna show y'all this too. If you look up here, it's a cobweb right up there, huge cobweb. So I'm surprised the customer hasn't called to complain about that. But that's definitely not acceptable, because if another cleaning company comes in and they want to try to get these people to switch to them, the first thing they're gonna do is try to look for how they can point out our mistakes, and that would have been the first thing they would have saw. Okay, I'm looking at this wood. I don't see anything out of the ordinary, so he's probably wiping that, so that's good. All right, nothing major there. I'm gonna get off of that desk though. I don't want if it's some private information. So this up here is very, very dusty. So this definitely hasn't been hit in I don't know how long, and this is actually our point of contact's office, so we definitely need to hit that. All right. Here you can see dust from here. Now it does look like something might have been there, so maybe they just moved what was whatever was there, and now the dust built up because it hasn't been hit. I don't know, but you can see a perfect square that's dust here, or better yet, what probably happened was something here and that part wasn't getting dusted. Okay, so we need to make sure we hit that dust there. All right. If you look over here, we got some dust built up. It's not horrible, and when there's a lot of stuff on this on shelves like this, you know, it's debatable on whether we should hit it or not. Personally, I like to hit it always. As long as it's an open space, I'm getting it, okay? But you definitely want to make sure you don't knock over this stuff, too. So you got to be careful with it. The top of this has never been dusted in a while, it appears. All right, so in here, we just mainly want to increase the high dust, improve rather the high dusting for cobwebs, as well as your regular dusting on horizontal surfaces. That's what I'm seeing so far. So I won't check everything off because it becomes redundant after a while. If you didn't do a certain thing in one office, then it's obviously he probably not doing that in the other offices. I'm gonna go to this kitchen. All right, so we want to make sure we clean light switch plates for smudges. Nothing out of the ordinary. This sink, if you look at it, it's discolorated, so like you can't even really see the silver on it anymore, and that might not be due to necessarily to him not cleaning it every time. He could very well be cleaning it every time. It might be that we need to put a stronger chemical on it one time to clean it real good. Okay, so because it could be hard water, it could be build-up of coffee stains because they're hard to get out a lot of times. So I was just told that vinegar and baking soda might could get that, so I'm gonna try that on it. But also another thing that you can use on hard water stains and stuff is an acidic toilet bowl cleaner. That's really, as long as it has acid in it, you should be good. I think we use germicidal. All right, so that's all I'm gonna do on this floor for now, for this video for now. So I'll talk to y'all soon.